California's sober meaning. California's sober what? A person who uses alcohol and marijuana, or other psychedelic drugs, moderately is referred to as being California sober, unofficially. This is often done to abstain from more dangerous drug use. The phrase is also used colloquially to refer to someone who has switched entirely from alcohol usage to marijuana use, usually moderate. Regardless of the sense intended, the term California sober is most frequently used to describe a person who has switched to this mode of consumption in order to avoid substance misuse, particularly abuse involving alcohol and/or harder drugs. Sober is used in this phrase to refer to ongoing sobriety, avoidance of alcohol or other drugs altogether. However, due to research showing that it is frequently an unsuccessful strategy for abstaining from dangerous substance use, many experts in the field of substance addiction prevention reject the use of the term sober in California, believing it to be misleading and potentially harmful. Please be aware that there is help available if you or someone you know is struggling with substance misuse. Call the National Helpline of the Substance Abuse and Mental Health Services Administration at 1-800-662-4357.